8th standard English poem 4, A Thing of Beauty. So this is a memory poem, so you have to by heart this memory poem. So it is the poem about A Thing of Beauty, written by John Keats. Now we shall go for the poem. A thing of beauty. A thing of beauty is a joy forever. Its loneliness increases, it will never pass into nothingness, but will keep a bower quiet for us, and a sleep full of sweet dreams and health and quiet breathing. Therefore, and every morrow are we breathing a flowery band to bind us to the earth. Some shape of beauty moves away the pall from our dark spirits. Such the sun, the moon, the trees old and young, sprouting a shady boon. For simple sheep and such are daffodils, with a green world they live in, and clear rills that for themselves a cooling convert make gainst the hot season. The mid forest break, rich with the sparkling of fair musk, rose blooms, an endless fountain of immortal drink, pouring unto us from the heavens spring. Now, slowly I can explain you this. A thing of beauty is a joy forever. So, thing of beauty, whatever we see beautiful, it gives us joy. Its loneliness increases, it will never pass into nothingness. So, something will be there and it will not make us simply pass. It will not, nothing will be there, we can't say. So, something will be there. Sorry, loveliness, I told loneliness. But will keep a bower quiet for us and a sleep full of dreams. So, in this place, if you think in this place, the background place, you can see, if you be there, you can have a very quiet sleep, and the sleep will be full of sweet dreams and health and quiet breathing. So, good health by breathing the good air, and quiet breathing means nice breathing, free flow of breathing. Therefore, and every morrow are we breathing a flowery band to bind us to the earth. Some shape of beauty moves away from the fall from our dark spirits. Such the sun, the moon, trees old and young, sprouting a shady boom. So old trees, new trees, the sun, moon, everything is giving the light. Air is coming. So everything will form a shady boom. For simple sheep and such are daffodils, with the green world they live in, and clear rills that for themselves a cooling covered make against the hot season. The mid forest break, rich with the sprinkling of fair musk, rose blooms, an endless fountain of immortal drink, pouring unto us from the heaven spring. So this is a, don't forget this. This is a memory poem written by John Keats. Now we will see about the poet. So John Keats was born on 1795 till 1821. He lived. Was a British romantic poet. Although trained to be a surgeon, Keats decided to devote himself wholly to poetry. Keats' secret, his power to sway and delight the readers, lies primarily in his gift for receiving the world and living his moods and aspirations in terms of language. A Thing of Beauty is an aspect from his poem Endymion, a poetic romance. The poem is based on a Greek legend in which Endymion, a beautiful young shepherd and the poet who lived on Mount Latmos, had a vision of Cynthia, the moon goddess. The enchanted youth resolved to seek her out, and so wandered away through the forest and down under the sea. Thank you.